Tubey people, just a quick vlog. As you may have noticed in my last video, the Wanganui races, Boxing Day, I had a new camera on the helmet. And this is the one that took the video whilst on the motorbike. So all that action on the motorbike was with this one. This is the GoPro Hero 8, just a new camera. The other stuff at the motorbike racing was the hold up the Get Up G3, which still is a pretty good camera, takes reasonable footage. However, it's not waterproof, whereas this one is waterproof. You cannot use a mic with this one, even though they say so in the literature. It is rubbish. This one supposedly you can, when you can get the mic adapter or the new media kit comes out, which is going to be mainly designed for vlogging, not motor vlogging, but vlogging. So yeah, I'll go through a few of the features in another video, but right now I'm just letting you know I've got this, and we can look forward to some awesome vlogging, hopefully. Okay, right, so here it is, the new GoPro Hero 8. We've got the little feet down here now that fit into the GoPro Hero lineup of attachments, plus third-party ones, I might add. So this is a third-party tripod adapter, so I can just put that through there, put the thumb screw through, tighten it up and use it on my helmet setup, just like the old ones. So pretty happy about that. We're yet to find out when the media case attachment thing is coming, and that will eliminate the need for a external mic adapter. However, you can't get external mic adapters anyway. I think GoPro has stopped production of them. Why the GoPro? Well, I was tossing up between the DJI Osmo action cam and this. They're both pretty good cameras. My wife made the decision because she says we're going down to bite now, and where we got it, excuse me, where we got it, they didn't have DJI Osmo action cams, and we got a special price. We got the kit, you know. We got the little tripod thing here. Tripod, boom, like that. So you put the feet out, the little lugs, and of course they go in there, and you can use it as a tripod or a little selfie stick. So that came with it, plus the battery, of course. I think it was extra battery, so you got 2 batteries and that, which I thought was pretty good. When are we going to do a vlog? I'm not sure. We have to wait for the mic adapter to arrive, which hopefully will be this week, but I'm not holding my breath. So anyway folks, thanks for watching and enjoy 2020. Is that focusing? Yes it is.